he also known as a Digong and Rodi, is a Filipino politician who is the 16th and incumbent president of Philippines and first from the Mindanao to hold the office. His family. His daughter Sarah. Sara, commonly known as the Inday Sara, is a Filipina lawyer, politician, and the mayor. Daughter named Veronica. Veronica born on 10th April 2004. Former spouse Elizabeth. Former spouse Elizabeth is a retired Filipino flight attendant. Spouse Hanilet. Hanilet is a Filipino businesswoman and former nurse. His son Sebastian. Son Sebastian is a Filipino politician. He is the vice mayor of the Davao City. Son named Paulo. San Paulo is a Filipino politician who is the representative of the Davao City's 1st district. Father Vicente. His father. His mother Soledad. Family at younger age. His family. He has an estimated net worth of $28.54 million. He was born on March 28, 1945. He was born in Masin, Leyte, Philippines. His father was a lawyer. Mother Soledad, a school teacher and a civil leader of Maranao descent. His family lived in Masin and his father's hometown in Danao until he was 4 years old. He went to Lebon Elementary School in Masin for a year. He is the chairperson of PDP Lebon, the ruling political party in Philippines. He took office at age 71 on June 30, 2016, making him the oldest person to assume Philippine presidency. He is known for being an avid fan of big bikes but detests luxury cars. He He once owned a second-hand Harley Davidson and a Yamaha Virago. He was once married to Elizabeth, a flight attendant of Jewish and German-American descent from Davao City. He studied political science at the Lyceum of the Philippines University, graduating in 1968 before obtaining a law degree from San Beda College of Law in 1972. He won 7 terms and served as a mayor of Davao for over 22 years. His 2016 presidential campaign led to his election victory. He declared the intention to pursue an independent foreign policy and strengthen the relation with China and Russia. He initially announced his candidacy for vice president in 2022 election, but in October 2021, he announced that he was retiring from politics. Political position have been described as a populist and nationalist. Old memories, family, full family, with daughter and wife. Young. Daughter. He has announced retirement from politics.